Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. It might be the shortest video I've ever made. A couple of weeks ago, somebody was looking and I helped them design a striped font for the letters USA. And I'm not 100% sure I'm sold on this A, but it's already a font. So if you go to, well, let's just do it. Let's go to DA Fonts, type in PRISMA. There it is right there. Download it. Put it in Corel. There's plenty of videos on how to download it. You just double click on there and click on the TFF and install. I'm not going to replace it, but once you said yes, it'll be in your font folder in Windows to use at your discretion. These are free. There's thousands of fonts. I've done plenty of videos on that same subject, but there is a striped font. I might even work on how to make this A little bit different, but other than that, I'm hoping that's what he was looking for. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.